Hey friends, if you wish to want a complete list of command prompt commands, then please watch this video. I will guide you through it. So first of all, for file management, I have a list of commands here. You can take a screenshot. This is for managing the files like reaching a certain directory, deleting a file, renaming a file and all of that. Now, if you are asking about all command prompt commands, the list is infinite, but I'm just sharing the ones which are absolutely basic. Now, as for system information and management, like getting the system information, killing a task, performing an SFC scan, check disk, opening the power configuration windows and all, you can take a screenshot of these commands. And lastly, about network, which I believe is another thing that we use through command prompt. There is a list of commands here like pinging, the ipconfig command to find the IP address, tracing it, and nslookup and netsh. So you can take a click of these commands as well. So why am I sharing these commands? The reason is that these commands are the ones which we will be frequently using. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.